Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at this. This is this fantastic tin that originally looked like this, and one is with these cool tins where you slide the lids open. You can get these on Amazon, and I thought, oh, I've got an idea for that. And I wanted to do this project, which is on the song I Saw Three Ships Come Sailing In on Christmas Day. But when you open it up, it reveals like it's a sardine can, and it's got three little fish ornaments in there. I thought it was a really cute idea using our landscape lines that you can find at tabithasglassemporium.com. Make sure you can get our birds there too. And what a great little Christmas present this one would be. So today I'm going to show you how we made this. So we have our mould here that we've cut. Now we've got our hooks, and these hooks are great because they will hook into the fish at this end, and then this will hook onto your Christmas tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and push this into the fibre paper, sort of halfway down, so that we can put a bit of glass below it and a little bit of glass above it, and it will be then fused into the whole ornament. So we're now going to fill these up with nice glass, and we can get them on a full fuse. So I've ground them down and made sure they fit in the tin. I'm going to give them a little sandblast on this side, and then they'll just go in for a fire polish. So here these are nicely fire polished out of the kiln. I think they look super, super cute. Absolutely loving them. I mean, I think the landscape lines length on really works as a kind of decorative pattern, and I'm like, really interested what else we can do with this kind of pattern. It's definitely got some kind of so just really kind of beautiful textural feeling. It kind of reminds me of fabric slightly. I kind of maybe want to make a rug with a bit of this kind of pattern going on it. These can go in the tin. Now for me, I think I'm going to use a little bit of double-sided sticky tape just to hold them down. Just want to say, you know, this is like I saw 3 ships. So for those of you who don't know, there is a song which is I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. So it's a kind of Christmassy theme. And these could be little Christmas fishes to hang on your Christmas tree. But, you know, they could also just be decorations anytime for the person in your life who loves fishing. So I'm going to use a bit of double-sided sticky tape that literally comes and then comes off, just to hold them in place in the tin so they don't rattle around, and mostly to stop them getting damaged. And then when, you know, whoever buys them, then they can pull them out and take that double-sided sticky tape off easily. All in place. There is a kind of good side and a bad side to these. This is like the top side, and you can see the fish, the eye is a bit covered. But what was the bottom side, I think, is slightly better. The lines are a bit straighter, and you can see the tail a bit more clearly. So that's the kind of side I am showing upwards. Trying to take my thing out, and there we go. The 3 of them go in. The lid slides on this way, and there we have a really cute little gift for anyone. You know, they open it up, they've got their 3 little fishes in there, kind of like a tin of sardines, and it's got this beautiful cover on it. I think this could be such a cute Christmas gift. You can get these sliding dishes, tins, as I said before, at Amazon. Really easy and not inexpensive, and well worth pimping them up into a lovely glass object like this. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out our website, tabithasglassemporium.com. You can get our bird Murrine there, you can get our landscape lines to make your fish, and these vortexes that I made the eyes with. So go check that out, tabithasglassemporium.com. There you can sign up to our newsletter, and then you get all our latest news of any new YouTube videos coming out and any new products. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy fusing.